front of me is Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can change font size. All you need to do is go into Settings and scroll to hit Display. Then scroll again, but this time to choose font size and style. Now operate this slider under font size to adjust it and check out preview at the top. When you finished, just go back. As you can see, size of my font has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!